What's going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and today I'm going to explain a device that I just picked up.
Let's do this!
Spectacular Gadgets.
Now, as everyone knows, the Insta Luna Ultra, it's the Insta360 Luna Ultra is what I picked up, but what's going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and to be honest, I already had this portion of the video already recorded, but I didn't realize till after I recorded that my shirt was rubbing against the mic, and I just couldn't let y'all listen to it. But anyways, I wanted to let you know that I picked up a new device, and where I got it from is not somewhere I would normally pick up my tech devices. This is the Luna Ultra from Insta360. It's the hotness that's out right now. So let's talk numbers here. You can get the standard bundle at Insta360, your B&H Photo, your Best Buys, probably Walmart, for $769 US. There's also a creators bundle that Insta360 kind of puts together, and that comes with a few different accessories that the standard edition does not come with, and that's going to cost you like $969. I know that it's $900 before taxes, so it may easily get up to $1,000. I'm not for certain, but it does come with more accessories than what the standard edition comes with. If you have a Costco warehouse in your area, I would say you go ahead and check them out, because the one near me, they have the Insta360 Luna Ultra going for $769. And you may say, Tay, I mean, that's the standard price, is what it is. But in normal Costco fashion, they bundle stuff up. So I'm getting a few more accessories that the standard edition doesn't come with, but I'm paying standard edition prices. Aha. So you see? So I want to go ahead and make sure that I can pass these deals on to you, and that you can go ahead and pick up your Luna Ultra for $769 with a few more accessories. Let's go ahead and open this. And now let's take a look at what the Costco bundle has to offer. They start off with the Insta carrying bag. You also get the Insta mic air, and then you get the black mist filter. And last but not least, of course, the Luna Ultra camera itself. These three accessories retail for $165, so that's $165 savings for you. Now, this next part of the video is going to be me simply just unboxing this camera, as I will have other videos to get more in-depth information and views and experiences with the camera, but I kind of want to show the people who just are going to purchase the Ultra Luna on its own without the Costco bundle what you're going to get. Now, the unboxing experience is really nice, really easy, and they immediately have the Luna Ultra up front and center inside of the protective cover case. And I like this because I feel like this is going to be more protection. Right here you have the wind guard, and I'm glad they include the protective cover for this type of camera. It's full protection. Next up, we have the quarter thread adapter. This is going to be connected to the bottom of the camera, and if you turn it around, you have a Type-C port there. This part right here of the button is textured. If you press it down, the protective cover door will open, and you can simply just pull the Luna Ultra out. Great coverage to protect the camera. Inside, you have two spaces to place filters, the black mist filter, and then you also will have one for the wide angle lens, and can safely be stored in there so you don't forget it. On the handle here, we have some Insta360 branding, slightly textured on the handle. Notice these two red buttons on both sides. If you press those in, this will release the removable screen / microphone. And like many have said, this was a genius idea by Insta360. Here on the bottom right of the gimbal is where your micro SD card goes. The Luna Ultra has 47 gigs of built-in storage. The Luna has four, count them, 4 microphones on this device. which one of the microphones is located on top of the removable screen. That was fun. Now let's get into the Costco bundle accessories, and we'll start with the $75 carrying case. This is very similar to my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 case. The texture alone is the same, but it looks like the Insta360 bag is larger. Has a nice little carrying handle on one of the sides. If you go ahead and unzip it, it has different compartments inside. It's soft inside, and we'll go ahead and place the Luna Ultra in so I can kind of show you. So I'm going to take off the quarter thread adapter and place it in because I don't really think it'll fit with the adapter on, and definitely not with the extended battery. But there is a compartment to put everything in. The case gives you plenty of space to put like the microphone, the charging cable, and the extended handle inside, and you should still be able to zip it up. Next up is the $40 black mist filter. And as I'm opening up the box, I get the instructions, but then I'm like, wait, somebody got me for my filter. But I had to pull the tab a little harder and it revealed the actual filter. And the black mist filter is supposed to soften your images by transferring incoming light, which reduces harsh contrast. And this next part might have you cringe because it had my heart stop. And if you missed it, let me give you an instant replay. That was me simply trying to remove the mist filter, but that is not the way you're supposed to do it. But it's all good, it's still working. Best practice is when you want to remove a filter off of the Luna Ultra, gently hold the head of the Luna and then get your fingernail in the notch and remove the filter. And when you're not using the filter, you can go ahead and store it in that protective cover. Last but not least, the mic air. This right here is the windshield. This is the magnetic pendant. You have the charging puck. Microphone, clip, and magnet. It's pretty small. Look at it side by side next to the mic mini. You also get this clip. It's a magnet as well. You can go ahead and clip this to anything that you need to. And if you don't want to use the clip, use this button magnet. All you would do is put it in between an item of clothing. I'll use this piece of paper to show you. You will have to use this proprietary charging base when charging the mic. It's magnetic, so it sticks right to it. Place the windshield around the mic when you're outside in windy conditions. I am pressing and holding the power button to turn on and pair the mic with the camera. So I'm going into the settings and going to the mic settings, and I see the mic air, but it looks like I have to update the firmware. I absolutely love this color. This is the sky blue, but the thinness of this, the thinness and the weight just makes it so that you want to take it anywhere. Look at this. This color totally looks great in person. So I didn't want the normal silver. I didn't want the black one. This sky blue was definitely calling my name. And just a heads up, you may be able to go inside the physical store and get one, but you also have the option to do this online. And that's kind of what I did. I went ahead and went online, and I was able to purchase it online, and it came within 2 to 3 days. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.